The new Doogee Blade 10 Energy is a member of the newly announced Doogee Blade 10 Energy series. The series consists of the Blade 10 Energy, the Blade 10 Pro Energy, and the Blade 10 Ultra Energy. The Ultra Energy is the best among the series, but we'll talk about the Ultra Energy in a separate video. But in this video, let's explore the top features of the Blade 10 Energy. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So the Blade 10 Energy is a rugged phone that combines sleekness with strength. It features a 10.7mm ultra thin body and weighs just 259 grams, making it one of the slimmest and lightest rugged phones around. The device runs on the Android 15 operating system. It also sports a 6.56-inch HD Plus IPS water drop notch display with a 90Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, it packs 4GB RAM plus 20GB virtual RAM expansion support and 128GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 2TB via TF card. The device is powered by the UNISOC T7250 octa-core processor, which is expected to deliver reliable performance and efficiency, but do not expect much. It's still a low-end processor. Battery life is covered by a massive 6150 mAh battery with 10 watts charging and reverse charging support. For photography, you get a 16MP AI main camera and an 8MP front-facing camera. The device also supports Widevine L1 for HD streaming, NFC with Google Pay support, and Face Unlock for convenience. Other highlights include a customizable key on the left-hand side of the device, triple card slots, IP68 and IP69K support, which means the phone is waterproof, dustproof, and also shockproof. The device is also military-grade standard 10H certified. The phone is available in cyber green, midnight red, and blue-red clashing colorways, all at an affordable price of $220. So these are the top features of the Doogee Blade 10 Energy. What do you think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.